Annyeonghaseyo. So this is my student Bonifacio from the new village. So today he will read the story so that he can move to the regular class elementary if he can read the story. Okay, Boni, start reading.
Sam and John. Sam is a boy. He is fat and wears a blue hat. Sam wants to play. Sam gets his red bat. Sam also takes his cat. He chats with John. John and Sam go to park. They take a yellow mat. They sit on the flat mat. John pats they cat. Sam sees a small rat. John also sees that rat. They both run after the rat.
Okay, very good, Boni.